4th, disassembling and assembling the hinge. Disassembly. Prevent the door from falling by inserting the jig in the gap between the outside door and the main body. Maintain 15 millimeters. Then, prevent the hinge from moving by inserting the safety pin in the hinge, followed by unfastening the bolts one by one. Unfasten the bolts by going from the bottom to the top. Assembly. Loosely tighten the top and the middle bolts by aligning the product to the hole. Then fasten in order of tightening all the lower bolts, followed by tightening all the middle bolts. For strong or weak control of door opening, make the right side direction strong and the left side direction weak, using the bolt below the hinge, with the reference upon the door open being based on 550 to 600 millimeters.